Enjoy the view of this 2020 Subaru Ascent. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Enjoy a view of this handsome Subaru Ascent, the family-oriented SUV that features all-wheel drive, 3-row seating, and a refined cabin loaded with amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat. Enjoy every adventure in this capable Ascent. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.